Welcome to Utility Structural Systems training video on proper use of our PolySet product line. Before we begin, we would like to provide a little history on our company. Utility Structural Systems held the original patent for product application for setting and straightening utility poles with polyurethane foam back in 1968. The first pole that was set using polyurethane foam was for Mountain Bell on September 14, 1965 in Pueblo, Colorado. Free formula for utility foam application with what is now known as our PolySet line. We were first to the market with a high-density formula for use in setting breakaway signposts for the Department of Transportation market with our HD PolySet line. We were first to the market with a low earth resistance and conductive polyurethane foam with our Polyground line. Let's first take a look at our maintenance and repair kits. Our maintenance and repair kits are the only kits that come in a box. The instructions for proper use of these products are located on the back of each jug as well as the back of each box. Each kit contains one jug of component A, one jug of component B, a pair of vinyl gloves, which we highly encourage using, one high-speed drill mixer, and a wooden paddle mixer in case a drill is not available. Our maintenance and repair kits are the only kits that come in a box. Now let's take a look at the proper use of these kits in a field setting. Once the pole is in its proper position, we begin by opening the box and removing its contents. Please note that with PolySet, the box is not needed. We highly recommend that you use the gloves that are supplied with each PolySet kit. The reason for this will be explained later in this video. A high-speed drill set in reverse mode is the preferred method for mixing all PolySet products. It ensures an adequate mix. The orange label is a warning to not recap the jugs for mixing purposes. We begin by pouring the component A into the jug containing component B. Mixing times do not begin until the drill starts. During the winter months, longer mixing times are expected. Conversely, in the summer months, shorter mixing times are expected. Please see the box for mixing times and temperatures. If you feel the jug turning warm, which is why wearing our gloves is important, pour the product immediately. Exactly how much foam is needed varies from pole to pole. As each pole leans differently, the size of the void left to fill changes from installation to installation. Now let's take a look at our setting kits. These kits are supplied in pails. Instructions for proper use of these kits is printed on the back of each pail. Each kit contains one larger pail of component A, one smaller pail of component B, one wooden stir stick, one pair of vinyl gloves, and one high-speed drill mixer. The wooden stir stick should only be used as a last resort for mixing purposes. The high-speed drill is the preferred method and will achieve a better mix. Each kit has a color-coded sticker with a part number located on each component lid. The component A sticker should always match the component B sticker. Although similar in appearance, the larger setting kit's component A has a 6-gallon pail instead of a 5-gallon pail, as with the smaller setting kits. We begin by ensuring the pole is in its proper position. Remove each component lid using the tearaway strips. Attach the high-speed drill mixer and make sure the drill is set to run at its fastest speed and in reverse. Once you are ready to proceed, pour the contents of component B into the component A pail. Once this process is initiated, it must continue as the process cannot be stopped at this point. The wooden stir stick should be used to scrape any residual component B into the component A pail. Mix the polyset according to the time and temperature chart on the back of each component pail, making sure the drill is in reverse. In the colder months, polyset should be kept as warm as possible. Not doing this could inhibit adequate mixing and reduce product yield. Polyset should be poured on the pole above the ground line. This forms a protective layer around the pole at the ground line against moisture. It is important to pour polyset while it is still in a liquid form. This allows polyset to reach the bottom of the hole before it begins to rise. This allows for maximum product yield. Allow polyset to fully rise and become firm before proceeding on with the project. You should allow about 15 minutes. Do not be alarmed if you see what appears to be smoke at the end of the reaction. This is simply the exothermic reaction picking up moisture in the hole and being expelled in a carbon dioxide release. It is absolutely harmless. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch our instructional video. We hope this clears up any misconceptions about the proper use of polyurethane foam. Should you have any additional questions, please call us at 1-800-367-9273, or you may visit us on the web at utilitystructural.com.